Online classes for student, yes. Now you want to do live classes or digitized classes, whatever you can digitize and automate, do that, because the conversion funnel is, if you get 1,000 leads in Facebook, the 80-20 rule is applicable everywhere. And generally right now, 20% is a great conversion, but right now 10% is also happening, is great. Okay, so out of 1,000 only 100 people will buy your tripwire low ticket. Out of that, another 20%, which is 20 people, which is again good conversion. So let's keep it 10% for the time being. 10 will buy your next level. Out of that, 1%, 10% of 10 is one will go become your profit maximizer. So 1,000 people showed interest in your program, they were visitors, but only one became your profit maximizer in current times. Actually, the number should be 20%. 80-20 rule is 20% is a good conversion. Okay. So get your expectations right. I see people don't want to spend on Facebook campaign. They are spending 500 rupees, but they want 500 people coming to their program. It doesn't work like that. How much you will invest, bigger the risk, bigger the gain, bigger the investment, bigger the gain, provided you are doing things in a right manner. I know people fear losing money because when you are doing everything on your own. Okay, let me give one more example. See, when you bought a site in the real world, now you want to build your home, and you have a lot of idea on construction and everything, right? So you say, I don't need an architect. Why do I need an architect? I will hire a contractor. With my ideas only, I will make my home. Architect is very expensive, they charge so much. So I will not hire an architect, I will do it on my own. So do it on your own. If you really have great knowledge, you can create an awesome home. But if you have incomplete, half-baked knowledge, what will be the outcome? Your home will have leakages, this and that, different kind of problems, because lot of things, because a contractor has the maturity, that much understanding and maturity. Laborers have that much maturity and understanding, right? So it's like, if you take an architect, now you can always say, ki, oh, the architect did not do his job properly. So then depends on which architect you are going to, someone who is giving you less quote or someone who is giving you a better quote. Because you compromised on the quality of the architect because he was giving you less quote. So finding that right balance of somebody being able to deliver also and not pricing more, not exorbitant pricing, which is beyond your pocket, right? So many things are there. So I have seen my own home in Nagpur. My parents didn't hire an architect. My father said, I will do it on my own. And there are 10-15 years, there are so many problems that keep coming in that home. The chamber is not proper, something is not proper, some pipeline, so many issues. My brother, he has hired an architect and has created like a 5-star home. And I have done a mix of both because I love doing interiors. So I have some challenges because I thought I can do it myself. I was trying to be very smart. So, this is the journey. I mean, you have to pay professionals because they know their stuff. They know their stuff. We have Manjusha as a lawyer. Somebody says, I will fight my own case. I will learn the law and fight, versus they go to Manjusha and hire her. Will there be a difference? Of course, there will be. Experts are experts. They have spent so much years of their life and, getting that expertise. So I hope you guys understand the point I'm trying to make here.